And hello guys, today I'm going to do a quick and easy tutorial to Pipedrive. So first off guys, we have to click on try it free. And right now we're being given this. So first off we have to enter our email. So you just have to type it in. Make sure this is your right email address. So here is it. So you also have to accept the terms of service, and so just click that to continue. You also can access quickly with Google. So don't worry guys, here you have to enter information, enter your name. My name will be like NetTech, and choose a password guys. Make sure your password is safe and secure. Like you see guys, my password is impressive. You also have to enter your mobile number. So here is it guys, and so also we have to enter our title. Like my title will be CEO, and I'll say that I haven't used any sales tools before. And what do you want to do first? Let's say that we want to close deals faster, or yeah, let's just set this, and let's set our company name as NetTech. How big is our company? Let's say it's between 6 and 10 people, and is in the IT industry. How many people will use Pipedrive? I would say that they are from 11 to 50, but I don't have their email, so I'll just add it. You also have to do this reCAPTCHA. Be careful guys while doing it. And after doing it, here we go. It's alright. Now just click on this and wait a little bit while they create your account. Here is it guys, here's the main menu. Just wait a second for it to load. Give it some time. Don't rush things guys. You know that you just have to be steady and ready. So here we can import data or add a deal. Like here, the contact person, let's say it will be Kawhi Leonard. We can add his phone, his email, their title, their value, the pipeline, the label, and all these kinds of things, but I'll just set it right here. We can, after that, move it to these blanks, like to the delete blank, lost blank, one blank, or move to blank. Like we can, here, we can rename, I think, these pipelines, like the qualified. I could add another one. I could delete it. I can like rename it, like whatever it is guys, whatever you want, like my favorite client. We can save the changes, and it is simple as that. Just wait a little bit to finish with your choice, and here is it guys. My favorite client, it's Kawhi Leonard. We can make it to contact mate, we can move it to demo scheduled, proposal made, and negotiation started. So we can also move it to 1. We can see here all those things like the favorites, the owners. We can set filters, we can see how much dollars have we made. Also we can see the tasks. So here are they. So we don't have a project seed, but we can have one. We can see the campaigns, we can see the sales inboxes, the activities, the contacts, the insights, the products, and the marketplace. So we also can see the live chat, the chatbot, the web forms, the prospector, web visitors, and messaging. But guys, let me show you just the subscription plans. So right now we are using the free trial of the professional plan. So the professional plan is $60 per month, and it is per seat. There is also a project plan, which is $8 per month, and per company. There is a lead booster, these are just the add-ons, and there is a smart talks, which is free, included with our professional plan. We can get also more things out of the Pipedrive. We can get more add-ons and other things. But we can also get these plans. Just give me a second, guys. I didn't really mean to press that. Okay. So here it is, guys. So here's the professional that we're using right now. There's a powered, which is a better plan, and the best is the enterprise plan, which is $190 per month. There's also an advanced and an essential plan. The essential plan is the cheaper one, and it is and has the least amount of perks. So we can bill our subscriptions monthly or annually, if we're billing it annually, we'll save up to 17%, and that is a really good deal, guys. So I think that is enough for our video. I wish you guys a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.